Good evening, everyone, and welcome to D-Access. My name is Daonga Tembo, and I will be your presenter for this video. And in this video, I will show you how to add a watermark. But before we get to that, we need to know what a watermark is and the appropriate times to use it. So, a watermark can be described as a semi-transparent text or picture that is used in a Word document to warrant its authenticity, integrity, and confidentiality. So the main uses of a watermark is basically to just set a unique tone to your document, and it's also a way of also trying to communicate a subliminal message, so to speak, to the reader. And they will be able, and once they get to see that, they will know what the document is all about. So it's more of a subliminal message. If you can take it in that manner, then it's just fine. So you set your watermark by first going to your design tab, and when you click on it, the various ribbons show, but for the sake of the video, we are going to our watermark button here, which is located at the top right. And when you click on it, there are these default watermarks. As you can see, they say confidential, and they are set diagonally and horizontally, and do not copy, set in the same manner. And if you want to just set one of these, you can just click on them, and voila, you'll just see the watermark is there. But do not be pressured or puzzled once you see such. You can type whatever you want and it will go over this watermark, and nothing will be disturbed, and the reader will be able to see what you type. And then there are also different watermarks that you can set. You can do this by going to your custom watermark option, and when you go to your custom watermark option, you'll see this prompt that pops up on your screen, and then you can go to the text watermark. As you can see, it's already there, and there are various configuration settings that you have to put before you set your watermark. So you can set your language, it can be in English and in all the languages that Word already has, and you can choose whichever one you please. And for the text, you can just go here. As you can see, to bring the options of the already predefined texts that are already used, that are usually used for watermarks. But you can just click on the bar there and delete what is already written and put in whatever you want. And when you put that, you can now go to your font size, and you can change the font type, and you can change the font type to the one that you please. And now you can go to your font size and also set your font size. As you can see, there are numbers over there, but for the video, we'll just leave it on auto. You can change the color, and that will be the color. You can see all the various colors there, and you can choose whichever color you want, but we'll just go with the gray. And you can set it to be diagonal or horizontal. And when you're done with this, then you can press OK. And as you can see, we have changed and we have put our own custom watermark, and the same effect applies everywhere. And apart from that, you can also set a picture as your watermark, and you can do this by going to your picture button there, and you have these configurations. You can select the picture and select the scale. So what they mean by scale is the size of the picture. So you can have it at 500%, 200%, 150 down to 50%. And you can also set your own resolution if you want it to be at 700%. You can put it at that, but for the sake of the video and we just want it to show properly, we'll just put it at auto. And then you can also make it be a washout, or you can make it, or when you remove this washout, then you make it a little bit more transparent and it will show. But we're just going to make it a washout so that it should just be very transparent, and you can just detect it, not like actually seeing it. And then you can go to your select picture, and this prompt comes. This prompt only is there just to remind the user that you need an internet connection to work on it. But as you can see, there's the option of working offline, and when you don't have the internet, you can just go to work offline. You click on it and you see your prompt for the pictures that will come, and you can now choose your picture. So this is my picture folder here, and I will pick a picture from this folder, and I will click on that picture and go to insert. And when I have set that there, we have configured everything, and I will go to OK, and I will set my picture. So this is how you set your picture as a watermark, and you can still type whatever you want and everything will show, and this watermark will still be detectable. And then you can also remove your watermark, and this is done simply by just going to the remove watermark button there, and you can remove your watermark. And so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and if you want to see more videos like this, you stay tuned and watch out for more videos. Thank you very much, and have a good night.